Right, hello everybody, I'm back again. Just a quick little video. I just put the young birds out and they're out. They've actually kitted up with the cockbirds. And obviously it's going to be getting dark in about 15 minutes or so. But at least they're all flying together. Look at that. The wind has dropped. The rain stayed away most of the afternoon. We did get one or two little more showers. Well, a couple of downpours, but that weren't for too long. And then it brightened up again. So, as planned, young'uns have gone out today. I didn't think yesterday they were going to go out, but they have. Cockbirds have been out since 11:45, as we saw. So when I go to drop these, with a bit of luck, they should all come down together. But there's quite a few up there, so that could be a bit tricky. If I can, I'll video the drop.